we got like 7 new boxes behind us. About to unbox all this new inventory for y'all. About to see what we got because I'm only expecting hoodies, 3 colorways of hoodies. And I don't know why there's so many boxes. It might just be because they're like thick 500 GSM hoodies. Could be the reason, but we're about to find out, and I wanted to do it with y'all. So let's see what we got. Let me know in the comments if you think we just got the hoodies with 7 full boxes, or if we got something else. No cheating, let me know, okay? Hope y'all enjoy the fireplace. But anyway, okay, let's go. So look, we're gonna do the top all the way down to the bottom. So let's start out right here. Oh, crisp. We got big ass bags, bro. Boom, we got another hoodie, and a large, more hoodies, like a whole lot of them. These are all larges. I think this box is literally just large hoodies in a blue colorway. Boom, now we got box number 2. Let's see what's in the box. Yo, why is this not tearing? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, almost just hit myself in the face with that. All right, so we got another 2XL hoodie. More 2XLs. These are all just the blue colorway. All right, I got a small, so I'm about to pull this one out of the bag for y'all to show y'all what it looks like. First up, we got this hoodie right here. Make Money Not Friends in a blue, black with blue logo. Boom, pull it back on the back. Yo, and these are our new quality hoodies. These are amazing. So before we had a super, oh my gosh, velour inside, kept you super warm all year long. Yo, okay, whoa. Guys, this is actually like a nice background behind me. I don't know why this like looks really good and really aesthetic. Okay, anyways, look, got this tag on the inside. First thing first, it's folded, but you can still read everything that you need to read about the hoodie, but it's literally folded like this so it doesn't bother your neck. It doesn't, you know, make you itch, because I know I personally don't like tags in my shirts, my hoodies, unless they're just comfortable like when I'm wearing it. So then on the inside, we got this super soft colorway like we always do with the hoodies. It's a little bit different this year. We did switch it up. And then boom, super nice material on the inside of the hood. Keep you nice and comfortable. And then that royal blue Make Money Not Friends logo. And then boom, to the back. Same thing, but bigger, Make Money Not Friends. Yo, and then the side pockets. Where are they even at? They're right here. The front pockets on both sides. They're kind of discreet, so you can't even tell that they're there. And then we come down to the bottom hem, and it's got this little slit. No other brand has done this yet that I've seen. If they have, let me know. I'm not here to not give people their credit if they've done it, but I've never seen it. So let me know if you've seen it. So boom, first hoodie's right here. It's done. Box number 3. Let's see what we got in the box. So we're 2 boxes down. There's 5 more to go. What is gonna be in the other boxes? Is it just gonna be more of these hoodies, or is it gonna be something else? I really don't know. The equation is not mathing up for me. 7 boxes, 2 boxes down. It's not really even number. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what the answer is. I mean, all right, boom, boom. Got it open. Okay, more hoodies, just like expected. This time we got the red Make Money Not Friends hoodie. You gotta know what the red looks like too. So if you didn't notice, check out this bag right here. So it's got NewBara, breaking NewBara case, NewBara.online, NewBara clothing for Instagram and TikTok. And then of course you got that big old size tag right there. Box number 3 is complete. I'm about to show y'all box number 4. Everything that we make is cut and sew exactly to our specifications. So like this shirt right here, exactly to our measurements. These shorts, exactly to our measurements. Hoodies, exactly to our measurements. All of our size guides are on our website on NewBara.online if you are trying to figure out what size you are. We got our 3rd colorway in the hoodie, black hoodie with a white logo. And there's some like blue ones mixed in here too. Oh, we got 3 more boxes left. Okay, so boom. Cut this open, cut that open. So boom, starting at the top. Got the nice, comfortable hood, perfect size, perfect everything, all right? We do everything to perfection here. So boom, another size tag so it doesn't mess with your neck, itch your neck, give you acne on your neck, whatever your size tags be doing to you. Trying to help you prevent that. Okay, so boom, we got another Make Money Not Friends, black with the white logo. super clean. Of course, discreet front pockets, and of course the slit at the end. Super comfortable on the inside. Like, not sure if y'all can see, but that looks mad cozy to me. And then of course we got the sleeves, which are to the perfect length. Last year our sleeves were a tad bit too short, but yeah, this year we got them perfect. All these hoodies are true to size. Okay, so boom, we got the Make Money Not Friend black with white logo. Like, that was pretty clean. That's a clean hoodie. So boom, we're done with that one. 2 more boxes left. What's in the box? Oh. Yo, that's a lot of hoodies too. That ain't no lightweight. Sheesh, box number 6. More white hoodies, so let's do it. Oh shit. Heavy as fuck. We got a whole lot of hoodies. I gotta go pick the camera up. I don't think y'all realize how many hoodies this is. Yo, check it out. This is a whole lot of hoodies. We got one more box, one final box. And I'm honestly thinking about dropping some more colorways of these, but a lot more details. So let me know if we should drop more colorways of these and if we should do some more details on them. All right, so boom, we got this small hoodie right here. I'm just saying, man, these hoodies are insane and the colors are fire. The red, the blue, and the white. I'm gonna get y'all to comment down below what color you want to see next. Which color is your favorite that we got right now? We got red, we got white, we got blue. What's the best colorway? Y'all let me know. I need to know. I don't know. Yo, I got a whole lot of inventory behind me, if you can't tell. I'm about to dump out this last box. I'm about to take some photos. This is a lot of hoodies. I need y'all to help me out. I need y'all to go grab these hoodies. They're about to drop soon. I'm about to put the release date at the end of the video, so y'all better stay tuned for that. I'm gonna let you know. Boom, got all this laid out. It is a lot of hoodies. I'm about to pack up a bulk order right now and then go take that. I'm gonna bring y'all with me, all right? Going to drop these off at local stores. I sold, I'm not sure how many hoodies, but I'm gonna show y'all what the inventory is looking like now. Once we get back, that way you can see how many are gone. And how limited these hoodies are going to be now that I've just sold 3 full boxes and we had 7, so you can do the math. But yeah, that's how many we just sold to this one store that's local to us. If you do have a store and want hoodies, we can get those to you, so we can ship worldwide. We do bulk and wholesale, so yeah, just send an email about wanting to do bulk as well as with your store info, and we can definitely make something happen. But yeah, I'll show y'all whenever we get back. So this is all we got left. Not very much at all. Like a few XXL, a few XLs, which is like actually really slim. And then we got mediums and larges, have the most of course, and then our smalls at the very end. So you can kind of, you know, try to figure out how many we got here, but it's not very many. So these will go pretty quickly whenever we do release. So make sure you got your calendar set for this day right here, NewBara.online, because you do not want to miss these, all right? These will go quick. But yeah, comment down below if y'all are copping those hoodies on this day right here. Limited, very limited inventory is available. They will go quick. You do not want to miss them. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next.